Hello everyone. So today we are going to continue with that example 3. Means with that examples. So example 3 is there. Okay, actually the question is bigger. So you read from the textbook. I am reading it. You just see the textbook, right? Yes, I am reading the question. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. Chalo, so it is given that speed is given, that is 4 centimeter per second. So right now I am just defining it, that it is given speed right. Now at instant when the radius of the circular waves is 10 centimeter, then so let the radius be r. Okay, so when the radius is 10 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed areas? Okay, so first of all, you know that area of a circle. What is the area of a circle? We know that, right? Area of, see, in this chapter, ये जो चैप्टर है उसमें आप बेसिक फॉर्मूलाज जो होती है, जैसे कि एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ अ क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, टोटल सरफेस एरिया, कर्व सरफेस एरिया, वो सब चीज़ जो है थोड़ी बेसिक चीज़ वैसे तो आपको पता ही होगी, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार रिवीजन कर लेना, ठीक है? वंस यू रिवाइज इट, बिकॉज इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल इन दिस चैप्टर, हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी ही, ठीक है? चलो, तो वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल ए इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर. चलो, तो नाउ व्हाट वी वांट टू फाइंड, हाँ हमें फाइंड क्या करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ठीक है? हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, एट व्हाट इंस्टेंट, ठीक है? कौन से इंस्टेंट पे, इंस्टेंट पे मतलब टाइम, ठीक है? तो डी ए बाई डी टी फाइंड करना, ये भी दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ वी कम टू नो दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड डी ए बाई डी टी और डी ए बाई डी आर? इट इज गिवन एट व्हाट, एट द इंस्टेंट व्हेन द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल वेव्स इज 10 सेंटीमीटर, हाउ फास्ट, ठीक है? फास्ट, तो हाउ फास्ट दिया है, देखो मेरी मतलब बात को समझो, ठीक है? हाउ फास्ट, see how fast is given. So in short they have told that find dA by, because fast and time are related, ठीक है? जब भी टाइमिंग कम होगा तभी तो फास्ट होगा ना, ठीक है? या तो टाइमिंग ज़्यादा होगा तो स्लो होगा. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड dA by dt. Now after a is equal to pi r square, there are two methods, dA by dr or dA by dt. What we have to find? Or dA by dx, what we have to find? dA by dt, where t is time. Okay, so this is our derivative, but multiplied by dr by dt will be there. Why? Because r and t both are different variables. Okay, because r and t both are different variables. चलो, तो आफ्टर दिस नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, ठीक है? स्पीड, चलो स्पीड इज गिवन 4 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, दैट इज हियर डी आर बाई डी टी इज नथिंग बट why it is dr by dt. Okay, because see, it is given in the question that speed of waves move in a circle at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. Circles है, circles, ठीक है? Waves move in a circle at a speed of, waves move करेंगे, ठीक है? The speed of 4 centimeter per second. तो dr by dt क्या होगा? 4 centimeter होगा. Now r is also given, so put all the values. 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 10 multiplied by 4. 4 to the 8, so 85. Your answer will be 80 pi. But unit also you need to write, right? What is the unit? राइट डाउन दिस. ओके, एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल का यूनिट क्या होता है? सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड, राइट. चलो, तो दिस इज क्लियर. आई होप दैट नाउ एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड दिस. ठीक है, राइट डाउन द यूनिट सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड. चलो, नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल 4. ये एग्जांपल 4 जो है दैट इज लिटिल बिट अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन आल्सो वी कैन सी एवरीवन नाउ लिसन. एग्जांपल 4 आई एम रीडिंग इट. द लेंथ x ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. Rectangle is there, length is, see figure is not given in the equation but still we are drawing for our knowledge. ठीक है, लेंथ x of a rectangle is decreasing. हाँ, लेंथ जो है वो डिक्रीजिंग हो रही है. ठीक है, अब देखो सिंपल सी चीज है, जब डिक्रीजिंग होगी ना तो dx by dt what is given 3 centimeter per minute, so minus 3 centimeter per minute. And width y is increasing. Increasing by 2 centimeter per minute. ठीक है, this must be clear with you. चलो, तो if length is x, width is y, then dx by dt is equal to minus 3 centimeter per minute. And dy by dt is equal to 2 centimeter. Why minus and plus? Because it is decreasing. So whenever decreasing will come, you have to do minus. Whenever increasing will come, you have to do plus. Okay. Now first of all, we have to find when x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 5 centimeter. It is given that x, when x is equal to 10 centimeter, y is equal to 5 centimeter. What we have to find? Perimeter. Let us say that P is equal to perimeter for this right now. ठीक है, अब इसका perimeter क्या होगा? x plus y plus y means 2 times x plus y. Perimeter of a rectangle formula is there, 2 into L plus B means L is length and B is breadth. So over here it is 2 into x plus y. चलो, तो perimeter we have to find the rate of change of perimeter. तो dp by dt is equal to 2 to dx by dt plus dy by dt, right? चलो, तो after this dx by dt we have minus 3, so 2 minus 3, dy by dt we have plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 so minus 2, so dp by dt is minus 2. The unit is centimeter per minute. These all the things are common. This first one we have found out, right? चलो, minus 2 centimeter per minute is our answer for perimeter. Means rate of change of perimeter. dp by dt is minus 2 centimeter per minute. Okay. चलो, now let us find second one. Area. Now you know that area is equal to length into breadth means x into y. So area is equal to, I am writing it over here. So dA by dt x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Now you put all the values. Value of x is also given. What is the value of x? 10. value of dy by dt also it is 2, and y is also given 5, and dx by dt given -3. Everything you put, that is dx by dt is how much, so everything you put, so that is x we have, that is 10 multiply by 2 plus y is given, that is 5 multiplied by -3. 10 to the 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15 when x is equal to, yes, what is given? Y is given, that is 6 is given, right? Y is value of y is 6, not this. So value of y is given 6, right? Value of y is 6, not 5. Is 6 3 is 18, minus 18 and plus 20, minus 2 centimeter square per minute. Okay, minus 2 centimeter square per minute. Everyone understood this answer over here? This answer is minus 2 centimeter square per unit. 2 centimeter square आया because area, because two quantities are there. You know that it is perimeter is coming in centimeter per minute only, but centimeter square per minute area, because area is always expressed for square, it is meter square, centimeter square, like that way. Chalo, so I hope that this is clear with everyone, right? Example 4. Now example 5 is there. Okay, example 5. Now see here they have given one total cost, right? Total cost. See, the question is given, that is actually, if we read the question it looks it is difficult, but now listen, I am reading it. By reading the question it will look some difficult. Okay, what is given that I am writing, that you write, that is c of x is given, that is 0.005 x cube plus, no, not plus, minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000. This is given in the question. But what is this? ये क्या है? ये है क्या? ठीक है, it is 5000, right? No zero is there more. It is 5000 only. चलो, तो it is given total cost. What is given? Total cost. Now what we have to find? Marginal cost. ठीक है, say I'm reading it. Find the marginal cost when 3 units are produced, where by marginal cost we mean the instantaneous rate of change of total cost at any level of output. चलो, तो रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ टोटल कॉस्ट, ये टोटल कॉस्ट है, ठीक है, उसका रेट ऑफ चेंज अगर ये सी ऑफ एक्स है, देन इफ आई फाइंड हियर डी सी बाई डी एक्स, if I differentiate, I am getting this x cube derivative 3x square, x square derivative 2x, x derivative 1, and this is constant, so 0. ठीक है, अब कौन सा वैल्यू दिया है? 3 यूनिट्स, सो x इक्वल टू 3, 0.005 into 3 into 3 square minus 0.02 into 2 into 3 plus 30. Now you solve this, you will be getting the answer, that is approximately 30.015. ठीक है, दिस इज नथिंग बट अप्रोक्सीमेट आंसर. If you solve this everything you will be getting the answer 30.015. नथिंग, देखो कुछ नहीं करना है, ये जो टोटल कॉस्ट दिया है उसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करो और x की वैल्यू 3 है वो रख दो. ठीक है, दैट इज वेरी सिंपल. इसके बाद का जो क्वेश्चन है एग्जाम्पल 6, यू ट्राई ऑन योर ओन. व्हाट इज गिवन आई विल टेल यू. सी 3x² + 6x + 5 is given. 3x² + 6x + 5 is given. You differentiate this. ठीक है, you differentiate this. 3 2 6x + 6. Now value of x is also given, that is 5. 6 × 5 + 6. 36 will be your answer. That's it. Rupees 36. Sorry. Yes, correct. 36. Okay. So this will be your answer. So example 6 you try to calculate on your own. Now we are going to start with the exercise 6.1. ठीक है, we have to start exercise 6.1. Everyone note down this in your book. Now let us start exercise 6.1. So exercise 6.1 is there, that is find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to r. ठीक है, it is given value of r, that is 3 centimeter, and area is given, that is pi r square. So now we have to find dA by dr. So dA by dr 2 pi r into nothing, because dr by dr is 1 only, and value of r is given 3. So 3 2 2 pi into 3. What will be the unit? Centimeter square per centimeter. Centimeter square per centimeter. So you can write 6 pi centimeter. ठीक है, you can also write 6 pi centimeter. Second part आप खुद कर लो. r is equal to 4 is there. So 4 2 8 will come. That's it. Nothing else. ठीक है, second part में क्या करना है, ये first part है r equal to 3 centimeter. Second part is given r equal to 4. Everything same. So here 4 2 8. 8 pi will be the answer. 8 pi centimeter. ठीक है, so I hope that till here everyone understood this. Answer number 1. Now we will be doing the next thing in our next class, right? Because right now today we have done, that is enough. I don't want to make you everyone that everything will be done in one day only, right? So everyone will try to solve all the questions which are covered right now. So tomorrow I am going to solve more questions based on this. So we are going to solve answer number 2 from exercise 6.1, right? So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.